Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Bruno Boetger. He is the Executive Vice President at Bradesco. Bruno, wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Good to be here.
So you have the Bradesco team here. You're having an event at the NYSE. Tell me about this event you're holding here at the NYSE.
We're holding what we call an annual Unlisted Conference. So it's a two-day program. We bring Latin American companies to New York to meet with U.S. institutional investors. And we do it every year. It's our 12th edition, so we've been doing it for 12 years. And it's taking place yesterday and today.
Now tell me, how many companies are participating, and what is the reason for bringing these companies up here to the New York Stock Exchange?
So we typically bring between 20 and 25 companies. And the logic for having this event is that these companies have the opportunity to talk to investors about their business plan, their thesis, without having the pressure of having to do a deal. So these are companies that are, as the name suggests, of the event unlisted. So they're not listed yet, they're privately held. And these companies are maybe 6 months to a year from an IPO.
What impression do these companies have being here and being a part of this event?
We have several companies that went through this event and then actually did their IPOs. So it helps. It's a successful event, and they like the opportunity to tell their story and get feedback from investors on the business plan, on their thesis. Like I said, without having the pressure to do a deal, and also from the investor perspective, when these companies do come to market, it's not the first time they're hearing the story. So they remember, oh, these are the guys that came here 6 months ago. Oh, I remember that story. So it helps. It helps with the IPO process.
Now, given the current market conditions, why is it important to hold this event?
Well, we believe that our clients should be ready to come to market when the window opens. Many times it opens very quickly. So if they're ready, they can come to market whenever the opportunity presents itself. So we think it's important to be ready.
All right, well, Bruno, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thanks for having me.